Here's our homework checker for Tuesday. First question says find the product. So you're multiplying 34 times 29. So you can do that traditional or area model. I'm going to show you both. For area model, I set up my squares, my area model, to find my products. So here I have 20 times 3, 20 times 4, 20 times 30, 20 times 4, 30 times 9, and 4 times 9. So now I multiply. I'm going to start with 4 times 9, which is 36. Go up here, 20 times 4, cover up my 0. 2 times 4 is 8. 1 0, add it back. 30 times 9, I'll do 9 times 3, which is 27, and a 0 behind it, 270. 20 times 30, cover up my zeros. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 zeros back on there. Now add up all these products. 600 plus 36 is 636. Now I'm going to add 270. 6 plus 0 is 6. 7 plus 3 is 10. 6 plus 1 is 7. Plus 2, 8, 9. Now plus 80. 6, 8, 9. 986 is my total. Let's solve it traditionally. We start with 9 times 4, which is 36. Carry my 3. 9 times 3, 27, plus 3, 28, 29, 30. Drop down, put my placeholder, cross out what I don't need. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 2 is 6. Add them all up. 6 plus 0 is 6. 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 3 is 9. That's my final product. Make sure you're showing your work just like I did. Next question. Write the number that will balance each equation. So these are showing a property and we have to know what's going to go in the blank. So if we look, we have 12 times 4 equals blank times 12. So what other number goes in that blank? It's kind of showing you the same numbers, different order. So that's 12 times 4 equals 4 times 12. 15 plus 9 equals blank plus 15. Same numbers, different order. 15 plus 9 equals 9 plus 15. So, which property says same numbers, different order? Which property says that? It's like saying you go from home to school and then school to home. You're commuting. So it's the commutative property. Next question. Which number is represented by the point on the number line? So we have 200,000 and 400,000. First we got to figure out what goes in the middle. Well, if we skip count, 200,000, 300,000, 400,000. So which ones can we eliminate? Because we know this dot is going to be greater than 300,000. Which one can we eliminate that's not greater than 300,000? B. We can eliminate B. Okay, so now we have to figure out, this is halfway between 300,000 and 400,000. So what's halfway between 300 and 400? 350,000. 390,000 would be way over here, right? That'd be 390,000, way close to 400,000. 310,000 would be kind of here. So the best answer is C. Next question. Eric has 4 feet of fishing line. His father has 60 inches of fishing line. How much fishing line does Eric need to have more than his father? So this is a measurement question that's going to kind of test your knowledge of what you remember from 3rd grade. And so you have to know how many inches are in 1 foot. So you have to know there are 12 inches in 1 foot. So let's get both of these in feet. Okay? So we know he has 4 feet and he has 60 inches. So let's figure out how much 4 feet equals in inches. So 12 inches equals 1 foot. If I double 1, I get 2. If I double 12, I get 24 inches. Or if I do 2 times 12, it's 24. 3 feet if I multiply that by 12, 12 times 3 is 36. That's how many inches equals 3 feet. And now I just can keep going. I can do 12 times 4 is 48 inches. That equals 4 feet. Okay, let's do another one. 12 times 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6, so 60 inches equals 5 feet. Okay, so his dad has 60 inches, which is 5 feet. He has 48 inches, which is 4 feet. So we have to figure out how much more line does he need. So that is going to have us subtract. We're going to take 60 minus 48. Got to do some borrowing. 10 minus 8 is 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. So he needs 12 inches or 1 foot. Okay, little multi-step measuring question. All right, social study economics question. The economy of colonial Virginia was dependent on A, agriculture, B, hunting, C, shipping. Think about what the cash crop. What word means farming? That's agriculture. B, trading without the use of money is called blank. This is what we did in class when you traded items. Is it A, credit, B, debt, C, bartering? So credit is when you owe somebody money. Debt is when you owe someone money as well. Bartering is when you trade without money. Number 3, today's Virginia economy in the Blue Ridge Mountain region is dependent on what? So I'm thinking Blue Ridge or old rounded mountains. And economy is money. So why do people go to the old rounded mountains? Or what do they spend their money on in the old rounded mountains? Is it coal, outdoor recreation, or dairy farming? A lot of people travel there for recreation, which is like skiing, camping, hiking. Number 4, who was brought to the Jamestown colony against their will in 1619? So who didn't want to come? A, Africans, B, English, C, Spanish. People who were brought against their will were the Africans because they later became the slaves. All right, friends, make sure you're showing your